so I'm here in Beijing, China, and I'm going to show you how to use their metro system.
So before I got to China, I remember looking at this map and thinking, how am I going to navigate that? It was a little intimidating, I have to say. However, I've made this quick video to reassure travelers that there's nothing to fear. Alright, first thing to note is that China are pretty generous when it comes to English translations. To get into the subway, you need to pass through airport-style security. This was strange at first, but very quickly just became routine. As for the ticket, it's easiest if you get it from one of these machines.
Okay, so here is how it works. English, you press the line you are on, then you select the station you want, and it works it out for you. Give the machine your hard-earned money, 5 yuan, which is less than $1 US. Press OK. Take your ticket, which is a little card, but you also take your change. Simple as that. Tap your card, and you go.
You'll then either enter an extremely modern empty station or an extremely crowded one. I personally found Beijing subway to be very clean, very quiet.
Very efficient, lots of space.
However, during rush hour, it's a completely different story.
Here I am in a Beijing subway during rush hour.
A few final things to note. Everyone on the subway is on their phone, although this seems to be the case everywhere. Some tunnels have this crazy futuristic advertising through the windows, which I'd never seen before. And most of the infrastructure is fairly new, so there are some beautiful entrances to the subways.
Please stand firm, hold the handrail.
Then when you finish your journey, you insert the ticket and escape.
Alright, one last thing. The subway closes at 11 PM, so don't go partying too late. That's it. I hope that helps if you're planning to visit. Give this video a like if it was useful, hit subscribe to see the world, and until next time, 再见!